Hi all! Hello friends joining us. Up next in the video, 6 minus 2 which equals 4 times 6 minus 2 which equals 4. Now we have this problem, 4 times 4 which equals 16. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses 6 minus 2 4. So we have 6 minus 2 times 4. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 2 times 4 which equals 8. So we have 6 minus 8. So 6 minus 8 which equals minus 2. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.